Stop scrolling. This YouTube update can literally change how much money you make. If your videos were ever hit with yellow dollar signs, if your content talks about real-life issues, or if YouTube monetization ever felt unfair to you, this update is a big deal. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech, where we break down real platform changes, not rumors. Today, YouTube has quietly rolled out a major monetization policy change, and most creators don't even realize how powerful this is yet. What actually changed? Until now, videos talking about sensitive topics like abortion, self-harm, suicide, or domestic abuse were almost automatically pushed into limited ads. Even if your content was educational, even if it was story-based, even if advertisers had no problem with it. Yellow dollar, limited revenue, end of story. But now, that has changed. New rule. YouTube now allows full monetization on sensitive topics if your content is non-graphic, responsible, not overly detailed or explicit. That means dramatized or fictional stories, personal experiences shared carefully, informational discussions can now earn full ad revenue. Green dollar instead of yellow. Why did YouTube do this? Because creators kept pushing back. YouTube received constant feedback that story-based content, awareness videos, and educational discussions were being demonetized without real advertiser issues. The old rules were simply too aggressive and were hurting good content, so YouTube adjusted, not to remove boundaries but to make the system more fair. Warning: what is still not allowed? Let's be very clear, this is not a free pass. These topics are still not monetizable. Child abuse or trafficking, eating disorders, graphic visuals or explicit descriptions. If your video crosses into shock or detail, ads are still off the table. A hidden opportunity most creators will miss. Here's where it gets interesting. If you have older videos that were previously demonetized and they were non-graphic, story-based, and informative, go to YouTube Studio right now and request manual review. Some of those videos may now qualify for full monetization. This is money many creators are leaving behind. Why this matters for smart creators. If your content is dramatized storytelling, real-life awareness, mature discussions done responsibly, this update can increase your revenue without changing your niche. Same content, better monetization. YouTube is slowly listening to creators, but advertisers still control the boundaries. The creators who win are the ones who understand the rules before everyone else. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to Mendit Tech. We don't chase hype, we explain how platforms really work. Drop a comment if you want a full video on how to keep sensitive content monetized safely. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay monetized.